So, hello to all. Today we are going to prove 1 is equal to 10. So, to prove 1 is equal to 10, we let A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 10. Okay, so we considered, we let A as LHS side as 1 and B as RHS side as 10. So here we write LHS side on 1 and RHS side on 10, as we let A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 10. So A is on LHS side and B is on RHS side as 10. Okay. So on the next step we do so multiply by B on both sides. So here we have to prove A is equal to B. This is equation 1. Okay. Here we have to prove we will prove A is equal to B. Okay. We put A on as 1 and B on 10. Okay. So multiply by B on both sides in equation 1. Okay. So if we multiply, we get AB is equal to B square. Simple. Okay. So on the next step we subtract AB whole square on both sides in equation 2. This equation let 2. Okay. So we get AB minus AB whole square is equal to B square minus AB whole square. So the next step, AB minus A square B square is equal to B square minus A square B square. Simple. So on our LHS side we get AB common, 1 minus AB, or from RHS side we take common B square, so we get this one. Okay. So take is equation 3. Now subtract by sorry, it's not subtract, divide by B on both sides. So we get equation A 1 minus AB is equal to B 1 minus A square. So if we subtract B on both, if we divide by B on both sides, so here B is to be cancelled and is B square by B, we get 1B. So this equation. Okay. So this equation is so important. By this we so let's take equation 4. Okay. So we recall we rewrite equation 4 on this. So we get A 1 minus AB is equal to B 1 minus a square. So we rewrite equation 4. Okay, so here two cases are generated for provence a is equal to b and a provence 1 is equal to 10. So if we prove a 1, then a second one is also is always proved. So here we make two cases. First of all, okay, so first of all, here we let a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 10. Okay, so put the values of a and b in equation 4. Okay, so we get 1 minus 1 into 10, this is LHS side, is equal to 10 1 minus 1. Okay, so we get 1 minus 10 is equal to, here is the 1, we multiply 1 in n number, we get on the number, so 10, here we get 0. So if we multiply 0 in any number, it will be 0. So 1 minus 10 is equal to 0. So add 10 on both sides. If we add 10 on both sides, we get 1 minus 10 plus 10 is equal to 0 plus 10. So 1 is equal to 10. Hence proved. So this is the first way to prove 1 is equal to 10. And the second way, we not put the values of a and b, we solve only this. Okay, so take equation 4. So we get a minus a square b, we multiply a in this and b in this, so is equal to b minus ba square. Okay, simple. So in the next step, add a square b on both sides. Simple. See, add a square b on both sides. So a minus a square b plus a square b is equal to b minus ba square plus a square b. Here a square b, here a square b. So here a square b and a square b cancel. A so we do not cancel it, we take common with minus sign. We take common b with minus sign and we get a square minus a square, okay, is equal to b. Here we take common b with minus sign, we get a square minus a square. Okay, this one. Okay, so a square minus a square 0, a square minus a square 0. So we get a minus b into 0 is equal to b minus b is equal to 0. So here's the case, b into 0 0, b into 0 0. So a minus 0 is equal to b minus 0. So we get a is equal to b. Hence proved. Or a is equal to b. Okay, so after that we let a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 10. Okay, so here a is equal to 1 and sorry a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 10. So 1 is equal to 10. Hence proved. Okay, we take a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 10. by this a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 10, so we conclude a is equal to b, so multiply b on both sides. Okay, so this is the procedure. We recoil this. This is the procedure to prove 1 is equal to 10. So we recoil this. Let a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 10. We let a as LHS side and 1 and b as 1 and b as RHS side as 10. So to prove, so we can write a is equal to b in provence. Actually, we take a on the side of 1 and b on the side of 10. Here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 10. Okay, so multiply by b on both sides in equation 1. We take equation 1. If we multiply ab is equal to b square, we get subtract ab whole square on both sides in equation 2. So ab minus ab whole square is equal to b square minus ab whole square. Okay, so this is the procedure we do for provence. Okay, yeah. This is the procedure. So here we write two things. Firstly, we put direct values in equation 4, and secondly we solve the equation and then put the value of a and b. Okay, so this is the procedure. Thank you for watching, and if we write any mistake for in provence, so please comment, and thank you.